Here we go again. Sober in the morning light, things look so much different to how they looked last night. A pale face pressed to an unmade bed, like flags of many nations flying high above her head. The cellophane, yeah, still on the flowers, the telegram still in her hand. As whispers circulate all day, their backstage baby princess passed away. And you can cage a songbird, but you can't make her sing. And you can trap the free bird, but you'll have to clip her wings, or she'll soar like a hawk when she flies, but she'll dive like an eagle when she dies. Ooh, promises of no more lies fell flat upon an empty stage before the audience arrived. Return in time to the cheaper seat, she never knew what lay beneath, just a dated handbill they found beneath the sheets. Let down before the final curtain, a shallow heart had left her cold. She left in rouge upon the mirror a circled kiss to the faithful fans who miss her. And you can cage a songbird, but you can't make her sing. And you can trap the free bird, but you'll have to clip her wings, so she'll soar like a hawk when she flies, but she'll dive like an eagle when she dies. Is it from Tumbleweed Connection, maybe? I forget. That's an old one. When Bernie was still writing with him. Love that old stuff. Thanks, guys.